Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel.
Safed Kapda.
Let's start. Open CapCut or any other editing application you have. And go to New Project. And add Amit Shah video and 6 white clothes pics. You can get Amit Shah video from link in my description. Now select Format 9:16 and adjust all photos to full screen. Now delete the end part. Now tap on Amit Shah video and turn down the volume to 0. Now add audio. Audio link is given in the description. Now set photos to this time duration. Now check the beats. Now add transition effect in between. Slide left and choose white flash. And set effect duration to 0.1 second. And then tap apply to all and save. Now check your video. And now export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.